So most of you have probably seen this Genie 3 thing by Deepmind. Now it's a Google platform, it's a Google machine learning AI tool, and it's really, really cool. Right now you might be wondering if you can go through and kind of have this publicly available, creating these open real world models and games and simulations just by typing in some prompts. Now right now, as of me making this video, this is not publicly available. So keep that in mind. Now, Google DeepMind is publicly available, and they have already done a lot of research already, but there's not really a way to go through and essentially run this on our own machine, at least through through Genie 3. Genie 2 is one option that they kind of have. You can see that within Genie 2, this was like a 360p option, not really that featureful. Genie 3 gets up to 720p, multiple minutes. It's really, really crazy. So right now, it's not really publicly available. So I don't want to give the impression that you can just download this right now. But keep in mind that it will end up coming out at some point. But even then, when it does come out, you will have to you will pay for this platform. You'll get to pay to have the ability of kind of using it. So you can see that, I mean, it's really cool. There's a lot of different simulations that they've done here. And it's actually a really cool, beautiful type of platform. But keep in mind, this is not publicly available yet. So as I'm making this video, there's no way to actually go through and like use Genie 3 on an everyday, situation, unlike how we could have done it on VO. Right now within Google VO, that is one option that we do have where you can go through and you have that type of capability of kind of, utilizing that type of situation. So within VO, you do have that type of capability, which is actually really cool. Unfortunately, with Genie 3, this is still going to be coming out in kind of a release, and developers are going to be able to use this kind of stuff because it's actually really insane. And we'll see what ends up happening in the future. But as of right now, if you're trying to go ahead and just use this on your own computer and like kind of mess around with it, for a free option, that's not really available just yet, but it will be coming out very soon and people will be able to use it then. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.